Kedudashan Meghalaya, ban ibniang subhai pi baro syakani katuk kubor mentaga janmit. Syuaban paj ki kubor ki babniak ini petsyai kimat bekongsan. Dan long rally election umentri rang badu kari, balong ru unong yalam kaseng BJP, Narendra Modi, hajak dia kabaha Telangana. Ke election department jong ke Meghalaya, kan yale ban penbiang nadong syadong kenang ban penyo thap wot ya baro. Dan pau ki kertong MP ya ki babuan ki mat ha ka jingalang halor ka parliamentary politics ha Shankardev College Shillong. Tari India ka aya kilat ki lenti ki bakarpang na kabenta ki motorsports ong umentri rang badu kari ha ka Formula 4 car show ka baningkong e ha Srinagar. Ki khubor ki babnia Umentri rang badu kari ubalongru unong yalam kaseng BJP Narendra Modi ula ong ba kadon ka jinglong ka baklan ha ka NDA ha gijela ki ba syapang syati haba pen pau ha jingalang ka balalong ha chaktial ka ba ha Telangana henna kasngi Modi ula ong ba ka BJP ka yang scam ha ka nongrem ban pen urlong ya ki jing ang nuat ki paj ba jong ka Telangana ula ong ba leng ba ka jing mi paj ba ha chaktial ka pen I syai kedar ya ka jing be jongkal air na kabenta kani ke election. Umentri rang badu ulakan thok jur ya unong yalam kaseng Kongres Rahul Gandhi halor ke jingkran ben ya ka Shakti bad ula ong baga jingyai lenti sya ubenai ha ka ba Vikram jong Chandrayaan 3 ulala ban kenjo ha ka bala ai kerteng da ka Shiv Shakti Point Modi ulakan no ru ba ka India Alliance kala pentho bria yikipat ba jong ka Telangana.
बहुत जरूरी है कि कर्नाटका की लोकसभा की हर सीट पर बीजेपी एनडीए को विजय मिले। बीजेपी एनडीए के सांसद कर्नाटका के लोगों की सेवा के लिए काम करेंगे, यहां केंद्र की योजनाओं को अच्छी तरह से लागू करने में मदद करेंगे। साथियों, कल मुंबई में शिवाजी मैदान में इंडिया अलायंस की तरफ से एक खुला ऐलान
ka election department jong ka Meghalaya kan yale ban penbiang na dong syadong ha kani ke election chief electoral officer ka Meghalaya Dr. BDR Tiwari ulal ongba kajing tmu jong kani kalong ban penlong ya baro kinong thawut baken poi shigi jaka thawut da kajing atreilang bat ki grassroots level institution ka state election department kan ai kajing penbana shakishnong ha kinong kendong na lor kajing penshai shakishnong ki thau ki kle nong sanchar ki dorbar ki balong ki bakong san ban pen priang khubor shapang kani kajing sanchar pat ba ban pen shrur ya kinong thawut ki badang khna baken don banta hapo ki rensan social media shu ka office chief electoral officer jong ka Meghalaya kala soiru ya ka memorandum of understanding MOU bat katanat puli puthi jong ka sarkar jela kani kajing atreilang kalong banwan ra ya kajing seng ya ki jaka thawut ha ki school kaleng jela.
Village announcement system like Songod, Duldul in the Garo Hills and Khasi Hill respectively, and moreover we are engaging with the sports, youth icons and all the like we have recently signed one MOU with the education department, so in that to activate the ELCs, more ELC to be formed and to function to promote the young voters. So all such initiatives we have taken up and we are quite hopeful the voting percentage in Meghalaya will increase.
Ban yarab ya ki nong thap wood kamtami ki samla badikitu ki badang shuyo bantap wot ningkong bakin yami patba bakin pendan kam yala ki hok changki ka Shankadev College kala penlong ya ka program balatip kum ka parliamentary politics and political participation hapo ka tega college henna kasgi na ka benta ban ailad iki kertong ki ban yakun ya ka election MP sha Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary seat bakin penpa ki samla badru ya ki mat ki jura ya ka ba ki labu kini ki long ki khubor ki ba khambania halor kani ka benta.
As elections to the Lok Sabha draw near, candidates are going all out to garner the support of the voters. And the symposium on the parliamentary politics and political participation organized by the Shankadev College was just the right platform for them to address the people. They then witnessed the participation of a large number of college students. In the panel were the three contesting candidates, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkan, a VPP candidate, Professor Lakhon Kama, an independent candidate, and Regional Democratic Alliance candidate Robert June Kharjarin, while the Congress and the BJP were represented by party leaders. Manuel Badwar represented Congress candidate Vincent H. Pala, and state BJP spokesperson Maria Hom Kharkram represented the Saffron Party. The candidates spoke at length about the decision to enter the fray and their agendas. The decade of development was the highlight of the speech.
I'd like to express to you what the Congress wants to talk about, at least in this election that is coming this time. What is important is that we should understand that India has already reached a $3 trillion economy and is definitely poised to become the second largest in another 5 to 10 years. Now, the point is, how do we ensure that whatever growth is happening in the country reaches to the grassroots level?
I would like to express my alliance promises based on 3 principles. Our principle will stand to protect the interests of the indigenous people and the residents of the state. We stood to preserve and conserve the identity, the cultures in the state, and thirdly, to promote the welfare of the state for the benefit of the people watching online.
As soon as the government took over 2014, we recognized the urgent need to revamp and overhaul the system and processes to help India advance on the path of development. Right from spearheading the digital revolution to elimination of open defecation, India has achieved remarkable milestones under a new governance paradigm.
Where religious leaders will discuss issues that concerns every aspect of our survival, that includes from unemployment to education to failure of the healthcare system to drug menace, alcohol menace, and so on and so forth, whatever that can be enormous. So then
we are moving from place to place, and we are doing good. This is a party which is new, a party with a vision to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya.
The leaders also dwelled in detail on the reasons why people should vote for them. During the course of the discussion, various issues that are going to take center stage this election, from education to health, employment as well as development, were discussed. The issue of the Citizenship Amendment Act was also raised during the debate. The open floor discussion and debate was also organized, where audiences were given a chance to raise questions and seek clarification from the candidates and the political representatives. Questions on water scarcity and traffic jam were a few of the queries raised during the question and answer round. The election to the Lok Sabha in Meghalaya will be held in the first phase on April 19. It may be mentioned that the date of issue of Gazette notification will be on March 20th, while the last date for notification is March 27. Scrutiny of nominations will be held on March 28 and the last date of withdrawal of candidatures will be on March 30th. Voting will be on the 19th of April, while counting of votes will be held on June 4th. The term of the 17th Lok Sabha will expire on June 16. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
Kinong mi khmat chong ki laitli ki kan hun seng ki baken thop ya ka Neutrab Youth Council HYC Chaintia National Council bat ka CORP ribhoi ki la IT ya ka jingtho shaumentry rangba ga jala ukonrat sangma henne ka sngi halor ka jing pentre kam ya ka Citizenship Amendment Act 2000 khat khandai bat ki kan don an jong snam 2000 arposau ha ka tei ka jingtho ki tei ki kan hun seng ki la yai ban bawat la ka CAA 2000 khat khandai ka pelaj na ka ching pentre kam ya ka ni ka kan don an ya ki jaj ben riu lum jong ga jala Henry ka jing shisha ka long ba ro ka we ga jala Kim Shem Lahab hapo ka kernet ka bapra kidon ki jaka ki bahab hapo ka nong ba shilong ha ka ba ya ka kernet ka bapra kam Shem la don chinga day bat ki babun ki nong wan bu hai shnong ki don ha ka ni ka nong ba ki te ki kan hun seng ki la pen pau ka jing khuslai ha kum ki ni ki benta ha ka ba ka jala kan shakta lengba ka jing wan ki briu ki banabar kham tam ka asam ka Sakti Rupa Sanmilan ka program ban pen khlan ya ki kan thai la pen long ha Borgona Galidham ka ba ha South West Garo Hills la pen long ya kani ka program da ka Rashtra Sevika Samiti Tura Bibhag ha ka ba la wan yashimanta da ki kan thai keleng jong ka te ka than ka Dr. Preeti Rupa Saikya Assistant Professor ha Mahapurush Srimanta Sankardev University Guwahati kala long ka kongsan kala pensilur bat aiman sim ya ke balawan yashimbanta ha kani ka program ha kani ka program la ya don lang ki kan thei ki bala mi khmat na ki kan huan bapher kum ka Bharatiya Majdur Sangha Borgona Galidham bat ka Rashtra Sevika Samiti na lor ki weipan ka Sakti Rupa Sanmilan kala long karansa na kabenta ban yamir jingmut lang ban ai jingmut lang bat ban lum yi ki jing tip halor ki hok chung ki kan thei ha ka im lang sa lang ha Assam ka jingalap election na kabenta ka Lok Sabha kala sedang ha gajala hadian ba ka jing pen bana ya ka tarik ka jing thawut na kabenta ki khat sau tali ki seat kin long ha ki lai tali ki wat ha kani gajala ka BJP lem bat ka Assam Gana Parishad bat ka UPPL kila pen bana ya laki kertong na ka benta ki khat sau tali ki seat ka BJP kan pen yakun ha ki khat wei tali ki seat kat ba ka Assam Gana Parishad kan pen yakun ya ki kertong tang ha ki ar tali ki seat bat ka UPPL kan pen yang tang ha ka wei ka seat kaseng kongres ru kala pen bana ki kertong na ka benta ki khat ar tli ki seat bat kane kaseng kan ai jigershan ya ka Assam Jatiya Parishad ha Dibrugarh ki wei pat ki kan hun seng san perthei ki kan thop ya ka TMC AAP Bodoland People's Front bat ka CPIM kila pen bana ya la ki chong ki kertong Menteri Rangba Du Keri Narendra Modi ula ong ba kasien ka baning kong na kabenta gajinya kop nya kali Formula 4 kabala penlong harut wa jong ka Dal Lake ha Srinagar kan sayarap ban pen I ya gajingi tenat jong ga Jammu bat Kashmir haba pen pau ha karensan social media Modi ula ong ba kari India ka ai kilat kilenti bakarpang na kabenta ki motorsports ba kin yo ban pen I ya ki sap ki phong ki badon bat ka Srinagar kalong gajaka ka babyang na kabenta kani kalong kasin ka beningkong na kabenta gajiya kop nya kali Formula 4 kabala penlong hnen kasngi harut wa jong ka Dal Lake ha Srinagar ha kalyang ki khubor ki bashabari u president ka Russia u Vladimir Putin ulala ban bat hadu sansin kum u president hadien ba ula khurbyang ya gajing job kani ke jing job biang u Putin ka pen I ba ka te kari ka dang don ke jing shania bat ke jing kermen ha u ulala ban kam na kabenta ka samoy trekam ka bahan rio da ka ba ulayo prapo nyaw na ka shispa ha ka jing thap wood but prapo na ka shispa jong kinong thap wood ki bor ba dei khmi jong ka election kila ong ki wei pat ki kertong kila yo tang hadu san na ka shispa u kertong ka seng communist u Nikolai Kharitunov ulawan baar bad u Vladislav Dawankov uba dang thamai ulawan balai kani kalong ka jingchap ka bedon buram na ka benta u Putin ba unlong kum unong yalam u bala slam jang ka Russia da ka ba ulala bantam ya u Joseph Stalin ha kalyang ki khubor chingale kai ka Royal Challengers Bangalore Kalapan liam ya ka Delhi Capitals da pra wicket ha ka final jang ka Limpong Women's Premier League cricket ha Arun Jaitley Stadium ha New Delhi henen kamian da ka ba be ya ka thong ka ba shispa khat sauran balabu da ka Delhi Capitals ka RCB kalala ban kamai shispa khat sanran ha ka khat khandai point lie over but have no r wicket na ka liang jong ka RCB ka Ellis Perry kadai ka ba latiat bun bat da ka ba kala kamai lai pusan run bat labut pat da ka Sophie Devin kabala ban kamai lai pu run bat ka Smriti Mandhana da lai pu wei run hashwa kani ka Delhi Capitals kala rai ban tiat chwa bat kila hap lut baro ki wicket ha ka shispa khat lai run ha ka khat pra point lai over mentangin pej ya jing long jing man ka sun beneng hashlong ka jing shit kalong R4.0 degree Celsius but ka jing kreat kalong shipo po point pra degree Celsius ka jing ngam ka haw kalong lai po pra na ka shispa men step but lai po nyaw na ka shispa jan min kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala hakikat tu ka ni gijaka Shwaban poi sha ka bakut chong ka thup khubor yen ya pej biang sa shisin yakimat bakong san Penlong rally election umentri rang badu kari ubalong ru unong yalam kaseng BJP Narendra Modi hajak tel ka Bahat Telangana ka election department jong ka Meghalaya kan yale ban penbiang na dong shadong knang ban penyo thap wot ya baro penpau ki kertong MP ya ki babun kimat ha gajingalang halor ka parliamentary politics ha Shankadev College Shillong Kari India, ka ay kilat kilanti ki bakarpang na kabenta ki motorsports, ang umentri rang badu kari ha ka Formula 4 car show ka baningkong ha Srinagar. But penliam ka Royal Challengers Bangalore ya ka Delhi Capitals da pra wicket, but ra ya ka nam ladu ha ka Women's Premier League. Te paralog Katu ngila poi syaka bakut jong katuk kubor jengi menta ka janmiet hadu bangin daya syembiang bat pila syai kasngi kublaya pi baro.
Sea pirates into custody. It is being brought to India along with the 17 crew members rescued after